When Alyssa learned that many children have a hard time focusing in class, she wanted to educate teachers about the importance of giving elementary students breaks throughout the school day. Alyssa received approval to install a sensory walk at her local elementary school and taught teachers and students about its benefits and how to take sensory-based breaks to relieve stress and anxiety. Based on the success of the project, other area schools have begun proposing the adoption of sensory walks for their own students.
I hope this project will allow for more schools to be open to the idea of using more sensory approached ways of unwinding for kids. What I've learned from my project is to have lots of persistence and always just keep going through your project. I've hit many road bumps, but when becoming a leader, you have to be persistent and you have to keep pushing forward because that's what others rely on. Have hope that you can get through it and keep pushing to get it done. My name is Alyssa Papol. I've been in Girl Scouts for 11 years and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.